Most people get this wrong. They assume all habit apps work the same way, so they randomly pick one like Habitica or Finch and expect instant life change. But the truth is, these two apps are built for completely different types of people, and choosing the wrong one can make you quit within a week. In this video, you'll learn Habitica versus Finch in 2026, how each app actually works, who should use which one, and the simple way to decide the best fit for your personality and goals. Let's start with Habitica. Habitica turns your real life into a role-playing game. You complete tasks like study, workout, or drink water, and you earn points, gold, and rewards for your character. It feels like leveling up in a game. But here's the problem most people face. It can feel overwhelming if you add too many tasks too quickly. Someone like Jake in New York might start with 20 habits and quit within 3 days because it feels like pressure instead of motivation. Now here's where it gets interesting. Finch works in a completely different way. Instead of gamifying tasks, Finch focuses on emotional support through a virtual pet. You take care of your bird by completing real-life habits. When you do something productive, your bird grows, explores, and becomes happier. If you skip tasks, nothing harsh happens. It stays gentle and encouraging. So the key difference is this. Habitica pushes you through rewards and consequences. Finch supports you through emotional motivation and kindness. Now let's talk real-world usage. Imagine Alex, a student in Mumbai. If Alex struggles with discipline and needs structure, Habitica might work better because it creates accountability through game mechanics. But if Alex already feels stressed or overwhelmed, Finch would be better because it reduces pressure and builds habits slowly. But here's the catch. Neither app will magically fix your routine. Habit apps only work when you actually engage with them daily. If you ignore notifications or stop checking in, both apps become useless very quickly. In a minute, here's the part most people miss. Habitica is better for structured people who like goals, lists, and progress tracking. Finch is better for people who need emotional encouragement and softer motivation. The better app depends entirely on your mindset, not the features. Let's quickly break it down. Habitica gives you structure, game mechanics, and accountability. Finch gives you emotional support, simplicity, and consistency without pressure. One feels like a game with rules. The other feels like a caring companion. So here are the key takeaways. Choose Habitica if you like structure, RPG-style motivation, and clear progress systems. Choose Finch if you want gentle habit building, emotional support, and low-pressure consistency. And if you are unsure, start with Finch first, because it is easier to stick with as a beginner. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which app you prefer, and subscribe for more honest app comparisons that help you build better habits in 2026.